Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel English Learning Technique. And today in this video we are going to learn about articles. So articles A and the are used to refer to nouns. Articles are the words used before nouns and they modify nouns. A and N are used with singular nouns. The can be used both with singular or plural nouns. A and N are used with one person, one place, one thing, or yes, one animal. Article A is used before nouns which begin with consonant. Article N is used before nouns that begin with vowel sound. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. So let's try to understand how to use articles A and the with some beautiful examples. So the first one is dash mango. What are you going to use before mango? What article? Yes, what article? Since mango begins with consonant M, so we are going to use A before mango, so a mango. Next one is car. See, car starts with consonants C. So here we are going to use A